Hi everyone, this is Karen Hogan, English teacher and co-founder of DocentEDU. In this video, I want to show you how to use a website, Commonlit.org, in conjunction with DocentEDU to make a great blended lesson. So first, let's go to Commonlit.org. You can see here that Commonlit is a great collection of free literature. So let's say I'm teaching something about growing up. So I'm going to click on that theme. Then I'm going to click one of the questions that they have pre-made here. These boys look great, so I think I'm going to do what does it mean to be grown up? And then I'm going to choose a reading level. I'm teaching middle school this next year, so I think I will choose 5th to 6th grade. So here I am. It opens as a PDF. So I'm going to download this PDF because one of the things about DocentEDU is we want to work from a website. So I'm going to save this PDF. I'm just going to save it. I'm on a Chromebook, so I'm just going to save it right in my drive. So now that it's saved, I'm going to go to my drive. Get into my drive. One of the great things about DocentEDU is that it works so well in conjunction with all the Google Apps tools. We work really well on really any internet connected device, and especially working really well, like I said, with Google Apps. So here is my PDF. Okay. Now, in order to get this to work with DocentEDU, I'm going to right-click on my PDF here, or click on it the way you want to get to it, and click on my More Actions button. I'm going to say Open with Google Docs. Now my Google Drive, because Google Drive is amazing, is transferring my PDF that I got from Commonlit about what does it mean to be grown up into a Google Doc. So when it does this, it kind of makes each page its own image. But then it also finds the text from it as well. So I'm going to just get rid. I don't want these images of the PDF on here. I just want the actual text. So I'm going to get rid of this image here. Click on it and delete. I don't need the name and class anymore, since I'm going to be assigning this as a docent. I don't need that. Okay, so now I need to go back down. So you can see now that I have that PDF just as a doc. Sorry, my internet seems to be a little slow here. So I'm going to get rid of that second image from that other page. That other image, so you can see it made every page into an image, but then also took the text just after that. And then Commonlit actually gives you questions. So what I want to do is I want to take this and make this into a docent. I'm going to make sure that I have these questions ready to go, okay? Because DocentEDU allows you to embed questions right in the text instead of having them just at the end. So I kind of want just that discussion question. I know, so I'm going to delete all of this. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to say, so I can use it with DocentEDU, say File, and then Publish to the web. And I'm going to click on Publish. Okay. I'm going to get that embed code. I'm going to copy that embed code. I'm going to paste it. Oh, I made a mistake. Sometimes Karen makes mistakes. I'm going to get the link. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste that link in a new tab here. Now that I've pasted that link in a new tab, now you can see that I have that article from Commonlit.org just right here. So now I can use DocentEDU on this. So I'm just going to click on my extension, and up pops my DocentEDU toolbar. You can notice that what's nice about DocentEDU when you're using it on a published Google Doc is that instead of having all the text all the way over to the left, like Google Docs that are published are, we now just have it right here, and everything's pushed over. So that's really nice. So now I can do whatever I want with my toolbar. So for example, I might think that my students might not know what the word vi means. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to click on the comment and then there, and I'm going to say this means compete. And now when my students are reading, they can see that I've highlighted that and see my note. Like I said, I really like having discussions. So at the end, I'm going to put a discussion in here. I'm going to say, do you think that these competitors showed a high level of maturity? Explain your answer. Click create, and now my students can have a live discussion right here. What's also really cool is maybe I really want a video of Master Chef Junior. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick little YouTube search. Master Chef Junior Winners Season 3. And here we go. Here's a video. And all I need to do then, don't actually want the video to play right now. All I need to do is copy the link at the top. Copy that. I'm going to go back to my docent. Here we are back on my docent. Going to get a sticky, and right at the top, I'm going to paste in that video. And now my students are going to be able to watch that YouTube video with the winner right before they read the article. So here we go. I'm going to assign this to my students now. Now, depending on how you want to teach, you might add in a lot more stuff. You might add in some vocabulary, you might add in a presentation, you might add in some discussions, you might add in a lot of things, like maybe one of the questions I want to have is, do you think you would have been mature enough to compete in such a competition at 8 years old? Explain. Make sure I got my points right, click create. So like I said, you can do as much as you want here on that article. So all I want to do now is get this to my students. So I'm going to click on the docent symbol up at the top, and I'm going to assign it to my English literature class. And now they have it. So that's how you use Common Lit with DocentEDU. Hope you enjoy making awesome lessons with the two of them.